My name is Ryan Marshall. I'm one of the pastors at High Rock Metro West, and I'm the race director for the Jog for Joy 5K. The Jog for Joy 5K is a fun run in support of mental health resources for teenagers. As we listened to the community in Needham and Metro West, we kept hearing people say, we're concerned about the teenagers, we're concerned about their mental health. Well, that's also a concern of ours in our community, so it was very obvious that it was a way for us to partner with people outside of our community to accomplish something really good. So 2019, we pulled together the first Jog for Joy. It was a total blast. It was 18 degrees that Sunday morning, blue sky. We had a great time, and we said, this is really cool. We should do this again. Then the pandemic hit, and we all agreed we really need to continue investing in mental health resources for teenagers. In 2021, when we came back together, we really continue to care about mental health resources for teenagers. We continue to see that there's something really off here, and we've got to continue in this work. So we've been able to give away a ton of money. We've been able to form partnerships. We've been able to incorporate people from around the High Rock network and beyond. And it just continues to gain steam, which is so exciting. Why would we continue to do the Jog for Joy? It's been 3 years. This is our fourth one, the Jog for Joy. We're just seeing the tip of the iceberg in terms of mental health challenges for teenagers. The pandemic caused a tremendous spike in mental health challenges, but there's even something deeper than that. The mental health situation for our teenagers is way more pervasive, way deeper. And so we've just got to keep investing. We've got to keep working. The partnerships that we've formed, the trust that we've formed between the church and other organizations, this is a long-term partnership because, as we all know, mental health and whole person health is an investment every day, every week, every month, every year, moving towards health. One of the programs that the Jog supports is called Youth Mental Health First Aid. And this is a course that teaches anybody, a parent, somebody who's coaching teenagers, whatever, anybody that cares about teenagers. It teaches them to recognize what it might look like for a healthy teenager to start moving into some sort of mental health challenge where their behavior changes, the way that they're talking or acting changes. And how do you tell the difference between normal adolescence versus a mental health crisis? And then what do you do? What can any of us do? So we have supported that through the Needham Youth and Family Services. It's been this beautiful picture of this clinical setting for this training, this conversation about faith, a place where people from our church and people from outside of the church have taken the training together and formed bonds there. It's like seeing this community form around this resource that's provided. So there are a number of ways that someone can be involved with the Jog for Joy 5K. First and foremost, you can sign up to walk, jog, roll, or stroll. December 4th at 1 p.m. is when the Jog for Joy will take place. But beyond that, we need help. We need volunteers to help. We need people at the finish line, the start line. We're throwing a big party. There's going to be snacks and all kinds of things, kind of a festival for the athletes when they're finished. So we need help with volunteers. You can make additional donations. You can partner directly with the organizations if you want to get connected to the work that they're doing. There's lots of ways for you to be involved. You don't have to be a runner. You don't have to be a Boston Marathon qualifier to do this. It's a fun run, and there's lots of ways to be involved. December 4th, you can find all the information on our website. I hope to see the Jog for Joy continue to grow. I hope to see people continue to fight the stigma against seeing a therapist, taking medication, whatever challenges, whatever barriers there are to accessing mental health resources. Celebrate the people that are in the trenches caring for other people. Celebrate the work that our young people are doing and taking care of themselves and saying, I need help. I don't know what to do. And realizing that that's not shameful, but that's actually a sign of strength. So we're just getting started.